Cornwall Regional Hospital struggles to deal with rise in gunshot victims. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, cops charge in shooting of Alpha student out on bond.
While several returning residents in Mandeville are packing up.
Epoch wants new IMF agreement.
In business news, the latest petrol prices and the state of the dollar.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you make of some mayors' complaints about recent mocha raids at some parish councils, including that it's politically motivated and some employees have been left traumatized?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.